Hi and welcome. Today we're going to look at some headphones from one Mii. They say bring music to life. It has high-res audio wireless, foldable design, extended playtime, high definition, active noise cancelling. And it comes in this box, Qualcomm CVC 8.0 advanced noise cancelling structure. The updated noise cancelling structure excels in reducing noise in crowded spaces, especially voices. So that's a picture of how it looks like. And then you can choose between these colors. And yeah, what you get, the headphones, USB-C cable, 3.5 to USB cable, and the carrying bag, which is quite cool. And this is in blue with black cushions. So this is their app. It works on Google and App Store. And this is the case. And then in here you have some more information about safety and all kind of quick start guide as well. We'll have a quick look at the quick start guide, because I think sometimes it's important. It should tell you everything about charging and other things you could do. So, as you can see, they say to fully charge it takes 3 hours and 30 minutes. Obviously, they say make sure the port is not wet. Then power on and off, you just press the power button for 3 seconds. And then pairing is the power button. You press it and you press it for 5 seconds. And you can see the E700 on your phone. So when it's fully powered off, press and hold for 5 seconds. And then the LED will flash red and blue. Active noise cancelling has its dedicated button, and it has also transparency and ANC off, so you press that. And then these are the button controls for voice assistant, play and pause, which is the power button, and then volume up and down, and then press for 1 second and then let go. It will skip or move to the next track. In terms of phone calls, the power button is to answer or hang or mute if you press it for 1 second. Wired mode, so it goes to the USB-C port, and then the 3.5mm into your device that you're playing from. And if you want to reset it, press the volume up and down simultaneously for 5 seconds. So yeah, there you have it. Let's get into it and see what we have. So the box, first of all, the box, it's quite compact because it's similar to the Sony MX4 1000 MX4. It's exactly the same size, which is brilliant. I like that. Just wanted to show you. And then let's see how they look like. Has a little handle, pretty good quality case. Quite hard actually. I'm impressed. And then these are the headphones. As you can see, mine are in blue, and it has black ear cushions, and this is still blue. They go flat. They adjust around your ears like this, and they can expand, and it's also labeled metal as well, plastic on the inside, but they can go pretty large. So if you have a big head, will be no problems at all. That's probably for noise cancelling. It also has NFC. So on the left side you don't have anything. On the right side you have the power Bluetooth button, volume up and down or skip tracks, ANC, the USB-C for charging or for headphones, and you have the LED. You have a hole in there that could be for a microphone. And it says wireless stereo headset. The thing is, this is removable, but it has a funny way, as you can see in here. You have to push that under this little plastic pins. I did remove one of this and I struggled so much to put it back, so I want to try again. It's just because I was curious how to do it. So yeah, I will leave it there because it's hard to put it back. Very comfortable, and I like this, and also on the inside is really nicely done. Very comfortable, like I said. When you turn them on, there is no voice, it just does a doo-doo-doo. And then you can change the ANC. I think for this one it is a
noise cancelling, transparency, normal.
I did listen to them, and I've used them for a period of time, and they are really comfortable to use. They're also light. What I want to say about this is that it has an application, and within the application you can't do much. You can obviously change the modes for the ANC, transparency and off. You could use the equalizer, but unfortunately when the ANC is on you can't use the equalizer. You can just use the standard mode. There's also different modes for to listen to music, but those are just in normal mode without the ANC. There's no play or pause when you remove the headphones. The music carries on. And in terms of the sound, I do like it. It's a nice and balanced profile. Plus you can, in the normal mode without the ANC, you can modify it. They go quite loud in the ANC mode, I've noticed. In the other mode, when you start messing around with the EQ, they don't seem to be that loud. So best is to use them with the ANC on in their standard mode, and they sound pretty well. There's nice, good bass, mids and highs. The bass could be overpowering for some, but I didn't really notice that. For me, it was just perfect. And one more thing to say is labeled as well in here, right and left, and inside the ear cups. So yeah, I'll put at the end of this video a little video with the app. And yeah, I would say yeah, they're quite good. I wish the app had a bit more to it, to be more customizable. But yeah, thanks for watching. Hi guys, so this is the eMall app for the headphones. As you can see, you first click add device and then you will see the E700 and you connect it. You don't really need to have an account, which is quite cool. And then it shows the battery percentage. Then you can see the ambient sound, and I have to say I have a dehumidifier running now, and even though the noise cancelling it doesn't really help much with voices, I can still hear a bit in the background, but it definitely blocks. If I go to normal, I can hear the dehumidifier, but as soon as I click noise cancelling, it definitely blocks, let's say 70% of the noise. Equalizer. So you see I'm on noise cancelling, right? As soon as I click on it, it just says EQ only available in normal mode. So you can't have the EQ working while the ANC is on, which is a bit annoying. But then you have quite a few bands, like 11 bands, so you can just play around with it. Or you can have presets. So you have default, pop, deep bass, rock, classic, jazz, and country. What I've noticed is while you're using this, it just not sound as loud as when you are in ANC, when you have the noise cancelling on. The transparency mode is good as well. I can hear my voice. But yeah, it is a bit annoying that you can't have the EQ while noise cancelling. Hopefully with further updates they will fix it. So this is where you can rename your device. Button control, it just takes you to a user manual, so you can't really customize it at this stage. Now I don't have the internet on, so you can't see that. Then manual will open the manual. You can power off the headphones from here, which is good. Firmware update is on this version now. Hopefully they will release more with more functionality. And then you can also set them to sleep, which is quite cool. And you have white noise, so you can play different white noises. You can select the sound, you can put a timer, so you can choose between white noise, pink noise, brown noise, water, seagulls and ocean, bubbles, wind, sea waves, rain, thunderstorm. As you can see, there's so much to choose from, and they do sound really, really well, and it just relaxes you. So I do like that. And that's it, guys. That's all it is about the app. So it's quite basic. Let's just hope that they will improve it in time. So yeah, that's all